Hey everyone, Lee here, Okanagan Sawmill. Just got another little log on the mill again. So right now we've got, I believe it's a piece of ash. I got a whole bunch of random stuff, so I think this is a piece of ash, but I guess I'll know once I actually cut it open. So the length of it is basically, I'm not doing too good at that, am I? Okay, it's basically 5 feet in length. And then at this end, if you count the two, we're at about 32 inches. And then at this end, we are, hang on, let's go that way. So we're at about 20 inches, 19 inches. So yeah, we'll get it milled up and yeah, just see what we got. Hopefully we'll get a bit of nice grain right in that crotch there, and yeah, that's pretty much it. There's actually like another little head in there. There's actually like sort of 3, I guess. So yeah, we'll see what that reveals when we cut it open, but I'll get you set up here now, and yeah, let's get milling. Okay, so I've cut it. It looks too yellow to be ash. It's really yellow. I don't know whether it's coming out very well on camera. Like that there looks like ash. Yeah, I'm actually not sure now, I'll be honest. That's the bark. It looks like the bark's completely different though, but the wood itself looks like Alianthus. I think it's got that real yellow hue to it, and even the same sort of grain. So I'm not exactly sure what it is, but yeah, let's carry on cutting and get these slabs done, and yeah, we'll do a couple of water pops. Okay, so got that sawmilled up. So like I said, now this, I don't know whether it's coming up on camera, but it's really quite yellow. But as it's oxidizing, it's actually washing out. So I assume it's ash. Like I said, just never seen ash that yellow before. Now I don't know whether you can see, like, it's particularly yellow there. So, but we got 5 slabs. They're at 2.5 inches thick. So I got that one there. I got these 2, and then those 2. And then earlier on, I actually didn't film it, but hey, I actually milled up this acacia. So this is actually really nice grain as well. So it's still, in fact, I'll tell you what I'll do. I'll do a quick water pop on there if I can. Just bear with me a second. Okay, so there's that with a quick water pop, looking really nice. So all of the slabs look like that, really plenty of grain, really nice looking, everything. Yeah, so I'll let me just see if I can set you up, and I'll do a water pop on that one. There you go, the yellow really pops out then. So yeah, pretty nice looking slabs. Obviously the big inclusion there. We've got a crack all the way through. I assume when I dry that, that's going to split open. But yeah, I don't know if you can see that yellow even more now. So, but yeah, so that's what I did. So yeah, I'll just do this one as well while we're here. I've got a bit of water left. There you go, looking good. So yeah, like I say, I cut most of my slabs at 2.5 inches thick. Usually because what I find is, obviously, you know, when it dries, you lose a little bit of thickness there. These are probably a hair actually under 2.5 inch thick because of the blade curve as well. So you lost a bit there, you lost a bit when it's drying, and then you've got a bit clean up. And usually people can clean up to 2 inches if that's what they want. I find usually that's the most people want, so I try and just accommodate for that. So yeah, like I say, so I got 5 slabs out of that small log. They're pretty nice slabs. And then there's acacia log. Sadly I didn't film it, so that's as good as much as you're going to see. But I think I've got 1, 2, 3, 4, 5, 6, and then a little one. So I got 6 decent ones and then a little one. Okay, well that's it for today. Thanks for watching. I'm going to get these stacked up and let them air dry for a bit. Probably for a month or 2 is usually what I aim for. Try and get them down, the moisture content down into the 20s, and then I put them in the kiln. Yeah, like I say, that's it for today. Thanks again for watching, and see you on the next one. Cheers.